This is the life, mate.
It is a life. I don't know about the life, but it is a life, and we are living it.
What do you think that man is over there?
I don't know. Probably one of Jerry's goons or something.
Who's Jerry?
Oh, that's right. I forgot. You're a new character.
Who's that, mate?
You didn't go to school much when you were a kid, huh?
Go to where?
Yeah, that explains a lot. Jerry has dominion over all of these ones. Cameras everywhere. Where'd you say you got these from again?
My mom's secret stash.
Guess that explains why I'm buzzing.